Friends, so from this diagram we have to find the value of the x. So this is the right angle triangle and this is ABC. Okay, now we need to find the value of x. So what we have to do is, this is the right angle triangle, so in right angle triangle we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so as per Pythagoras theorem we can write this is A. Okay, so this is A. Okay, so what will happen is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So let's put the value of AC, AB and BC. Okay, so what will happen is 5x square is equal to 25x square plus 125x square. Okay, let's simplify it further. 5, this become 4x, this become 25 2x, and this become 125 2x. Again, we know this from algebraic formula, we know this, right? Now let's convert into the power of the 5. So 25 we need to write in power of 5, so 5 to the power 4x, sorry, this is 2x. Okay, this is 2x. So this we can write it 5 square to the power 2x. 25 can be written as 5 cube to the power 2x. Okay, let's simplify it further. So 5 to the power 2x is equal to 5 to the power 4x plus 5 to the power 6x. Again, this using this formula. Okay, now let's simplify it further. Divide each side by 5 to the power 2x, so this become 1, this become 5 to the power 4x divide by 5 to the power 2x, this become 5 to the power 6x divide by 5 to the power 2x, right? And this become 1 because 5 to the power 5 to the power 2x will be cancelling each other. Now let's simplify it further. 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2x plus 5 to the power 4x. Now let's assume that 5 to the power 2x is equal to t. So this will become a simple quadratic equation. So this I am saying a t, and this become a t square, and this become a 1. Now you can apply the formula to solve the quadratic equation. So t is equal to minus b. Okay, so minus b is minus 1 plus minus under root b square. So what is b square is 1 square, 1 minus 4a into c. A is, this is a 1, and c, this you have to transfer, so this become a minus 1. Okay, upon 2 a is 1. So this is simple quadratic equation, how to solve it. I am not explaining in detail. Okay, so what will the value of t? This is minus 1 plus minus under root, this you solve it 5 divided by 2. So this become divided by 2. This is the value of the t. We need to find the value of x. Okay, so if you see this, t has a 2 value. One is minus and other is t is equal to minus 4 plus under root 5 divided by 2. Now first solve this positive value. So what will happen is 5 to the power 2x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 5 divided by 2, and 5 to the power 2x is equal to minus 1 minus under root 5 by 2. Now if you take a log on this side, so this value will be negative, okay? So log this value is not defined. So we cannot find any value of x here, okay? No value of x. No, we cannot find this value of x. Now if you solve this one, so what will happen is we are going to take a log on both the sides. So log 5 to the power 2x is equal to log so we are taking log on both the sides, okay? So what happened? 2x log 5 is equal to log under root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. So x is equal to log under root 5 minus 1 minus log 2 divided by 2 log 5. So this is the value of the x, okay? We know the log property, log m minus log n. So I have applied the same here. Now this is the value of x. You can rewrite, you can put the value of log 5 and all other things to solve this, but this is the simplest way, okay? And this is the value of the x. So this is how we solve this kind of exponential equations using the log. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.